I'm having anxiety that this thing's gonna die on me. I was just sitting in my driveway and this thing just died on me. Like no warning whatsoever. It just flat out just died. So I don't know what the deal is. I don't even really know what's going on right now. We're kind of just cruising around. I know that Connor's out. He's with another Dylan that I met once randomly, and I just found him on Instagram literally that same day. He owns a white CX-6R that lives around here. I swear I know too many Dylans. Yeah, so I know Connor's out, some other people are out. We're gonna see if we can find out. Last snap I saw they're at Maverick. He just sent another snap, so I don't know if they're still at the Maverick or what. We're just gonna head there. If they aren't, then we're just gonna go ahead and see what he sent, because he sent another snap. I just don't feel like pulling over right now. So anyways, what's going on, guys? Mr. Lucky Moto. We're heading down to Local Maverick. We're gonna meet up with Connor on his 636. And a couple other people that we're gonna meet up with. So we're just gonna see how this goes. They haven't seen the bike yet too, so this is gonna be their first reaction. We got a bike up here. What kind of bike is that? What kind of bike is that, brother? Put on it. Oh, he's splitting his way up. Oh, he's going. These are your brakes. You had me panic thinking they were mine. Oh my gosh, asshole. Thinking everybody panicked thinking their brakes are out when it's him. Asshole. I don't have any energy right now. There they are. And you. How's it going?
Good. How about you?
Going pretty good. Nice catch. That's what I traded the F4i for.
And then I dropped it.
Just anyways.
All that time today. I haven't seen this one yet, have I?
No, I just got it on Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
How you liking it?
Yeah, I like it, dude. It's like it has the top end of the F4i, but at like 4,000 RPMs. It's 1,000 cc.
Yeah. What's it? I mean, I read the FZ1.
Oh yeah.
Like, okay.
Yeah, it's
12,000.
none of that, but it's also geared down.
Okay.
It's one down in the front, 4 up in the rear.
Oh, sprockets.
Yeah, sprockets.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so it's gnarly.
How's the wind?
Huh?
Oh,
it sucks. It sucks, but honestly, I kind of prefer it. It keeps me from going like mock Jesus.
I get that. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. I still eventually want to end up with a 636 at some point, but for now.
You've got what, 3 bikes now?
Huh? No, I traded the F4i for this.
Okay.
I mean, I've only got one video with this thing so far, but
There'll be plenty more.
huh?
There'll be plenty more.
Oh yeah, dude, this bike's awesome. I'm probably gonna be keeping it for a while. All right, let's go. Apparently there's a car meet down on Sprague at like this, like at the community college or something like that. So I don't know what the deal is. We're just kind of going for the ride at this point. Very curious to see how this goes. This 636s look so good. Oh, you getting it? Oh, let's see it, Connor. Oh, you doing anything? Oh, never mind. He's not doing anything. I thought he was gonna do something. Oh, look at him go. Oh, he's getting it. Oh. Did you see that? I was literally just leaning right. I was just giving it gas and she just fucking. What the? Where's he going? I'm so confused. I have no idea what's going on. Good up and I'm just going. Hold on, I'm just going up this. Oh, it's literally right here. Okay. It's right here. Alright. This is a small little meetup. So you're the one that just goes out and takes photos of your bike? Oh yeah, all the ones I've seen. Yeah, those are some sick photos.
Yeah. So you have seen, yeah. You have seen my stuff.
Yeah, I follow you on Instagram.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, Mr. Lucky Moto.
Oh, fuck. Oh! That makes more sense.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where's the green bike?
Huh? No, I still got it.
Oh.
No, I still got it. That's what I was saying. Like, we ran into you on the 650 that day.
I remember that.
Yeah.
I thought when you said you had a green bike, I was thinking someone else. I'm not gonna lie.
No. No, but so, yes, but no. So I've still got that. That FZ, I got it.
Possibly.
Huh?
You should get a 66.
After my 400, I will get probably your 650.
Yeah, but after.
You're recording. Now you can talk.
What the fuck? Weird. What the fuck is going on with this shit? Here, hop off. Fucker! God damn you fucking piece of shit! Huh? Yeah, just go home, but we're gonna need someone to give you we're gonna need someone to give you a ride or something, because it's like having two people on this is gonna be sketchy. Hell, I don't even know if I'm gonna want to drive this shit home.
How am I gonna get home?
It would have to have someone else take you on the back of their bike or something.
Babe, I don't trust anyone else.
Huh?
I don't trust anyone else.
Well, I mean, what else do we have? I mean, we can have my mom come down and get us. We can have my mom come down and get you while I deal with this piece of shit. Okay, and now it's fine? Now it's fine? Hold on. That's fucking weird. That is weird. Yeah, I'm just gonna text Connor and tell him that we're leaving.
Just go before something happens.
Yeah, I know. This is gonna piss me off if something bad's going on with this bike right now. Please just don't die on me while we're right here. So one thing I ask of you, please don't. Just to be safe, I'm just gonna put it into neutral, because maybe something's up with the tip sensor. Maybe the tip sensor's going out. Dude, this is just fucking dumb. I swear, this thing is having like an actual like issue to where I'm gonna have to tear this thing apart. I'm gonna be fucking pissed off. All right, well, I don't know how this is gonna go, and so I'm just gonna end the motor vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells so you see you next time I upload, and I will see you guys in the next video, where, who knows, maybe I'm destroying this bike because it's a piece of shit and I'm pissed off at it. You never know. Anyways, peace out, players.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now.